What's the meaning of crumbs? Crumbs. Crumbs.
Crumbs. Crumbs. The term crumbs typically refers to small, broken pieces of food or debris left behind after eating or handling something. The result of having crumbs can be messy and unsanitary, as they can attract insects or cause stains on surfaces. Additionally, depending on the context, crumbs may also be used metaphorically to describe a situation or outcome that is meager or disappointing. In this sense, the result of crumbs can be underwhelming or insufficient. Overall, crumbs can have negative connotations and are generally seen as undesirable.